Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own WhatsApp business link so customers can message you directly with just one click. First, open your WhatsApp business app. Once you're inside, tap on the three dots at the top right corner if you're using Android, or just go to Settings if you're on iPhone. From there, tap on Business Tools. Now scroll down and tap on the option called Short Link. This is where WhatsApp automatically generates a custom link for your business. You'll see your personal WhatsApp link right there on the screen. All you need to do is tap Copy, and you can now share this link anywhere on your Instagram bio, Facebook page, website, or even in messages. If you want to make it more professional, you can also add a custom message. Just tap on Create Message under the short link. Type in something like, "Hello, I'm interested in your services," and save it. So now, when someone taps the link, that message shows up automatically in the chat box. And that's it! You've just learned how to create a WhatsApp business link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.